How to fix can't eject external hard drive or USB on Windows 11 10s. To fix can't eject external hard drive or USB on Windows 11 10s, try 1. Restart your computer. 2. Use Task Manager to end task that is hogging high resources. 3. Run this run dll32.exe. Shell32.dll control_rundle. Hotplug.dll. Command as admin. 4. Run msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command in command prompt as administration. 5. Enable quick removal, default. Option in your device. 6. Update USB drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.